Hey guys, it's Cake Ninja, and welcome back to another video. Today I decided to make a new series, and I'm gonna call it rebuilding Lego sets. Cause I destroyed a ton of my Lego sets, and in this series I will, rebuild them. It's the name of the series. So I'm gonna first start off with a set from Ninjago, which is like Kai's mini Mech thing. I forgot what it's called. And I will be building all of the Legos in the stop motion video as well. So remember these are all, they used to be built, so like the stickers will already be on some of them and stuff. So, and some might have missing pieces, which I hope. At least not most of them will have, so I think this one has all the pieces. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm back, and I have finished the Mech, I guess. And I did find out that it is called Kai's Fire Mech. And I actually don't know what number it is. Let me check right now. Yeah, here is the final thing. Unfortunately, I am missing one piece, but I mean, it's only one piece. Oops, where'd it go? Yeah, okay. So hard. There. Supposed to go right there. Like an empty hole thing. And there was supposed to be a piece there. Oh yeah, and the set number is 70500. Cool. So I was using one piece. I had two extras. There was only one piece anyway, so that was very fun. First stop motion video that I'm ever gonna post on YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment to my channel, and go check the next video, the playlist. Both will be in the description below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.